Okay, so this is our bags packed and ready to go. But since we're traveling by car this trip, we're only headed for a 2-hour drive to Palm Springs. And we're staying in a suite. They still don't have all the amenities that we would like to have as a family. Well, let me go through and show you what I pack. Well, because it's the summertime, we're bringing a icy machine. And I have the icy mix that I'm bringing as well. This is a mini crock pot. And this is a mini rice cooker. And this is a toaster. And it also can accommodate large pieces of bread and or bagels. This is a kettle for boiling hot water. And then this is a steamer for steaming our clothes. This is a big trash bag. And then on this side are all of the utensils. It's probably easier if I lay everything out. So what's on this side is a mini waffle maker, the kids' thermoses or water bottle or juices or whatever they want to put in them, pizza cutter, a few can openers, a pair of tongs, some fruit peelers, a frother machine for specialty coffees and drinks. This could also be used as a blender to mix drinks. These are all of my cooking utensils. This came in a set that I just bought off of Amazon. Spatulas, measuring spoons and cups, ice cream scoop, because I'm also carrying an ice cream machine. This is a spatula rest. So for example, if I want to rest something on here instead of putting it on the counter, this is another variation of it. This is a strainer, and this one is a strainer. Another ice cream spoon, a smaller one. A few knives, a few pair of scissors, graters for cheese, a fruit press to make fresh juice, a mini cutting board. These are door stops for security in the hotel. And this is a scoop for the rice cooker. And this is just like a little mini bowl. So these are all of the utensils that I am bringing. And then over in this luggage is pot handles. And here's a heater, because I'm always cold. This is a breakfast cooker, so I can do eggs and pancakes on here. It's like a hot plate, but it scrambles the eggs really good in here. And then this is a little mini toaster as well. This is a aromatherapy. Put water and oil in here to make the hotel room smell good. This is a fan that I use when I go outside to the pool. It actually raises up. It is battery operated, and all I have to do is charge it. This is a iPhone stand, and it has a selfie light, so it can record hands-free. This is a mini sun umbrella. And these are urinals, one for a girl, one for a boy. Here is a larger cutting board. This is a portable washing machine. It raises up, plugs in, and washes. It even has a spin cycle. Folds back flat and goes in its carrying case. On to the other side. Here is a nice bedside portable fan. This is a mini vacuum. This is a bedside iPhone, AirPod, and iWatch charger. An extension cord. Mini vacuum. Bed vacuum. Amazon Alexa. Another extension cord. Another extension cord. Snooze machine for white noise. And an air purifier. This is a large cooking griddle and a magnifying mirror.